Do you feel a lot of burden when it comes to reading long research papers or long news articles, and you wish that somebody would have narrated it to you, then the life would have been much easier? Then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we'll learn about a very good AI tool which converts long research papers, news articles, and other such write ups into short podcast. So this tool is named Recast, and you have to go to this URL app.letsrecast.ai, and you have to make an account. I have made. You can sign in from a Google account. Then you can take URL of any research paper or any article and use this tool to generate a podcast, a short summary, audio summary of that particular research paper. So we'll take this OG paper, Attention is All You Need, as an example, and we'll generate a short podcast using this research paper. So the first thing you have to do is to use its extension. If you want to use it in a browser, you have to add the extension. I have already added the Chrome extension. You can simply add it using this Chrome icon. You'll get the email, or you can simply open it in the Chrome web store. I have added it from the Chrome web store. Then it will get added and you'll see an option like this, Recast extension. So now if you want to summarize this paper, you'll go to the URL of this paper, and then you'll click on Recast extension, and then you simply have to press recast it, and it will since I've already done a recast, but I'll do it again just to let you know. Then you have to wait for say 3 to 4 minutes. In my case, it took around 3 to 4 minutes to generate the recast of this particular paper. So within 3 to 4 minutes, you will get this email which will have the URL to the audio. You simply have to click it and you will get to this page of Recast, where you will have your podcast or audio clip, whatever you want to call it, ready. So let's have a look. The article had around 5782 words, so approximate reading time was 28 minutes, but Recast turned it into an audio of around 3 minutes, which is, I believe, very good way of summarizing any research paper. So let's see the quality.
This is a recast of the 5,700 word piece. Attention is all you need. Let's listen in.
In this paper, Google Brain introduced a new architecture, the transformer for handling sequence transduction problems. These problems include tasks such as language translation and speech recognition that involve converting sequences from one domain to another.
Traditional models handle.
So you can see that it has used two different voices to create the audio, and has started quite well with general introduction of the paper, then has gone into much more detail, and it gets into the main point that why transformer is quite different from all the other neural networks till that time, and what is the special thing about transformer which is not present in others. So let's fast forward it and listen some other part of the audio.
Of the art, BLU score of 41.8.
One of the key parts of the transformer is what's called self-attention. This mechanism allows different positions of a single sequence to relate to each other in order to compute a representation of the sequence.
The transformer uses this self-attention in three ways. First, in encoder-decoder attention layers, where each position in the decoder can attend over all positions in the input sequence. Second, in self-attention layers within the encoder where.
So I think the audio quality is brilliant. The content it has been able to generate, the summary is also very good. It has been able to understand all the technical stuff and turn it into simple language. That is something which is very important, because in research papers you have to in order to make it understandable for not so technical people, you have to make use the simple language. And I think that is very good in the case of this Recast AI tool. So yeah, I think it's very nice. And
Model make use of the order of sequences.
and you can actually try it for different news articles and other research papers to understand what is the quality. And there are some restrictions for free users. You can only use five recast audios per week, and also you can only give input the website URL and no other kind of input. Like if you want to give private docs, PDFs and other stuff, you have to upgrade to the Recast Pro version, which is a good deal if you are a person who reads a lot of stuff, but you feel that it consumes a lot of time, and you want something, you want a tool which kind of summarizes it for you, so that you can just listen to it in and extract the best out of it. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.